Good afternoon, everyone. And first of all, a very warm welcome to all the participants and all the judges who are here present with us today for the ceremony. And we know that the last year has been very tough on the teams as well as on the organizing committee and so all in all, let's say for the whole of our country. But we had to come up with a solution, right? And with this GKDC concept, we wanted to make sure that there is the innovation with the teams. The teams are innovative even throughout all this lockdown and all these things, right? So a very warm welcome and right. So let's start with the categories now. So for the individual first of all, there's one thing that I would like to announce is that this year there is no winner for the innovation award because most of the innovations that were presented to us were either previously been presented in the previous seasons or they are just on paper and there is no practical proof of it. So this year we decided to do away with the innovation award and now we are going to start with the categories and please show some enthusiasm. I mean, you have the chat box to yourself. Use the chat box. So now the first category that comes is the best tech savvy award. Right now, the tech savvy award is for the people, for that one person in all of the teams that is the most in touch with the current technology, not just theoretical, but also is able to apply. He's able to apply what he knows for the team. Okay, so people have started spamming. I think yes, there's just one entry right now. Starkers are participating very well. I mean, where are the rest of the teams? Are they here? Is there at least one member from every team right now?
Come on, teams.
Yes. Okay, so all I can see right now is Starkers and बीच में थोड़ा smoke and axles आ रहा है. Okay. So let's go ahead with it. And the best tech savvy award, it goes to Mr. Aditya K. Rao from Agni Racing. Do we have Aditya with us right now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please turn on your camera and the mic. Yes, Aditya, congratulations. And
congratulations, Aditya.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, we hope that you just don't stop here. Keep learning, keep making an effort for your team.
Yeah, sure, sir.
And say a few words from your side. If you want to say something.
It was very nice
about
working
your
with
journey
the
of this event.
Yeah, I started from grassroots level. The captain, all the teammates have really helped well, especially our captain, because we knew only some basic things. He taught us everything, so I dedicate this to him. Thank you, Sri Krishna.
Thank you, Aditya.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, so the captain gets all the credit for this one. Okay. The next big award at an individual level we have is the best team captain. Now, if there is no spamming at this, I'll be surprised greatly. It's for your team, right? Okay, Starkers are everywhere. Starkers are all over the chat. Where are the rest of you? Okay. People, turn on your cameras, please. Don't be shy. It's okay. You're all at home and you are kind of yourself. It's okay. This is the award ceremony. That is how it's supposed to go. Okay. So let us go ahead with the best team captain award. Now, before going ahead with the award, I would like to say that for any team or for any organization, the captain is someone who holds the team together, right? He's the anchor for the team. He fights for the team and he fights with the team. And yeah, there are a lot of things that maybe the team don't know what's going on with the captain and maybe your authorities or something, but he is, in short, the anchor for your team. And the award for the best team captain, it goes to Mr. Raghav Piyani from DJS Karting India, the EV team. Raghav, is he here?
Raghav,
Yes, sir.
where are
Yes,
you?
sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
Put on your camera.
Yes, sir.
Sir, can you see me?
Yes, we can see you.
Congratulations, Raghav.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Is there something you
So-
want to say?
Yes, sir. Of course, I'd like to thank my co-captain, that is Sanjeev from the CV team. Of course, and then obviously my team. Without the team, we are nothing. The team is everything. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I hope the team agrees with this. I really hope the team agrees with this. Okay, so Akshat sir, should we move on?
Yeah, sure.
Okay, so now we are coming into the team category awards, and the first award is for the best business plan. Now we all know what a business plan is, right? But still, I'd like to kind of recap over what it is. So it is an event wherein the team has to present to a set of investors your business plan. You need to pitch your business plan, assuming that the judges are your investors. And I know there are there are a few new teams who were a bit confused with what the format of the event is. But I'm sure that they'll come back stronger next year. And there were a few very great business plans, but as we all know, we can never stop improving, right? Okay, so there's a lot of spamming. We are Starkers Motorsports. So Buffet is there, Smoking Axles. Where are the rest of them? Okay. So the award for the best business plan goes to Team Marlin Racing. Is the team
Teams,
present?
please
Yes,
switch on your
sir.
cameras.
Turn on your cameras, turn on your mics.
Yes,
Yeah.
the team Marlin is present.
Yeah. So, is there something you would like to say?
Yeah, actually, I'd like to just let it be known that it wasn't just a technical and the business plan for us. Each team member contributed everything. Each member was aware of what was going on, and I really think that because for us it wasn't just a business plan but a partnership proposal, I think that's what really helped us in the future. So once again, I'd like to thank everyone at Marlin and also the other teams for participating. Thanks from Marlin.
Okay, all the best. And I hope if you ever, think of opening your own startup, you follow the same plan.
Sure, sir.
All right. Now moving on, we have we have now the award for the best cost report, and for the best cost report we have two awards. One is for the electric vehicle segment, and one is for the combustion vehicle segment. All right. So let's go ahead with the best cost award for the CV segment. Okay, where are all the CV teams? All right. Now I would like to point something out about the cost report as well. So the award for the cost report does not go to the lowest team which has the lowest total price of the card. It goes to the team which has the most justifiable price of the card. You need to be able to justify the costs that you have written in your cost report, and they should not be vague, and they should be in accordance with the standards that are running around your place of college. I mean, if your state, in short. So let's go ahead with it. The winner for the best cost report for the CV category. It goes to DJS Karting India. DJS Karting CV. Okay, is there
Yes,
anyone?
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are here.
Turn on your cameras, guys.
Team, turn on your cameras.
Yes, sir, we are here.
Yeah, congratulations, team.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
And,
sir.
is there something you would like to add?
I just would like to thank all of my teammates. They have put in a lot of effort for this.
Say a few words about your journey for this competition. Anybody can say.
Yes, sir. Sir, I would like to thank all my team members for doing such great research and analysis of all the standards and all the efforts they've given to put in and make such great reports and put in their best to practically make such great results.
And also, please mention the complications that you have faced during this pandemic and during this event session.
So there were quite a lot of complications. We were not in touch with the industries and the standard cost and all the material that are available in the market. And for that, we had to do quite great research and contact many people. That was quite a complication that we had to face during the lockdown. But we still managed to acquire great results. And thanks to the team and the members who worked so hard for it.
Thank you so much, team.
Thank you, Raman. That was great. And moving on to the EV category of the cost award. Sorry. So, okay. There is a lot of spamming and group messages. Okay, come on, guys. Fine. So for the winner for the EV category, the best cost award for the EV category goes to Team Starkers Motorsports. So finally, you have been spamming so much, and Team Starkers, are you here?
Yes, sir.
Someone
Yes,
from
sir.
your team. Yeah. Yes. So congratulations, team,
Thank you,
for
sir.
the best cost report in the EV section. And please go ahead and say a few words.
So,
Well,
yes, sir.
but he doesn't seem so excited, I guess.
Yes, sir. Just very excited. Sir. Very
Sorry for that, sir. That is by default.
faces like
But entire credit goes to Aditya Nayan, the guy who's talking, sir. He was the head of our cost department right from start, and without him, this wouldn't have been possible. He has been the team member for the past 3 years, and he was our head of the cost department, and actually proved it.
So say a few words about your journey.
Yes, so
Yeah,
it was
Aditya, please.
quite a difficult time to do our cost analysis this time because of the pandemic, and we called our suppliers and asked for the various prices how it is being done in these times, and it was quite a good journey so far.
Okay. Thank you, Aditya.
Please be a bit enthusiastic. Please, guys.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So in the event, if I am very sure that if this was you were at the actual event, you would be dancing around by now. Am I right?
Yes. Yes, sir.
There would be like fire extinguishers going off and music and all. It's wild. Okay. So now we have the category for the best design award, and same as cost, we have 2 awards: one for CV, one for EV. As we all know, what design award summarizes of it is an award for your overall design and design analysis, and you have been answering to your DFMA and DVP as well. And let's go ahead with the category. Now we have first the winner for the best design award in the CV category, and I think there are only 3 teams for the CV category. So it would be great to see their name being spammed for once. We are Starkers are spamming for CV, they are spamming for EV, everything they are spamming Starkers only. Okay, DJS is here now, and I saw team versus as well. Okay, fine. So let's go ahead with the award, and the award for the best design award for the CV category goes to team DJS Karting India. Congratulations, guys. Come on, one of you has to come online, right? Turn on your mic.
Yes, sir. Sir, it has been an honor getting this award first of all. The team contributed really well in each and every phase. We tried to make our reports as apt as possible to each and every department, from steering, chassis to brakes. There was development in each and every one of them, and we tried to push our boundaries further this year than what we have already been doing. So it was an amazing experience, and I'm very happy that the team utilized the time that we got in this pandemic very well, so that we could achieve this result. And it makes me really happy that the team achieved this, because I could see, being the captain, what we have put through all around. So I'm just really ecstatic and happy about this.
Okay, congratulations, Steve. And let's go ahead with the winner for the best design award for the EV category. Okay, there are spams, a lot of spams. Keep them coming, guys. This is the enthusiasm equivalent of the on-site event. We can't do any better than this, but let's just keep to it. Okay, guys. So the winner for the best design award for the EV category is Team Marlin Racing. Team Marlin.
Team Marlin Racing. Is there anybody from Marlin Racing?
I think there is no one from Team Marlin.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, you're audible. You can go on.
Yeah, sorry, we're facing a bit of technical issue. So my captain and co-captain, my team, I guess they couldn't join. But I'd like to say that it's been everyone's hard work. We were just really hoping all along that all of our hard work would come to this, and we're just happy for that. And I'd like to thank all the departments that got us here. So that's about it.
Right. Thank you, Manan.
And thank you guys also for giving us an opportunity to do this.
And where is your remaining team members?
So they're facing some issue. Yeah, Tanya is a captain.
Yes, sir, we are here.
Yeah. We have issues.
Okay. So we should move on, I think. And now there are two main awards that are to be awarded. That is the runner-up and the overall winner. The overall runner-up and the overall winner. And same as the previous two awards, we have two segments for this, CV and team. Now, so this is what all the teams, you all have been working so hard, right? And not just you, I assure you, even the Disney organizational committee has been working hard enough for to bring this event to you. And I would really like to appreciate the efforts taken by Akshat sir, Karan bhai, Umesh sir, Harsh, Ashar sir, Akbar, and Pratik bhai. So all the judges and all the organizational committee. It's an honor to be a part of ISNI, and let's go ahead with the category. Now we first have, we have to build up a bit, right, for the overall winner. So first of all, we are gonna have the overall runner-ups. Now, so overall runner-up for the CV segment is what we are going with first. And so where are the 3 CV teams? Okay, the spamming has stopped. It is not supposed to be stopping. Please. All right. Marlin Racing, great. CV में भी Marlin Racing आ रहा है. So the runner-up for the CV category are Team versus 2.0. Do we have team versus here?
Yes,
Team
sir.
versus. Please switch on your cameras.
Sir, I'm here.
Yeah, so team, what was the inspiration for your design? What was the inspiration that carried you on in this event?
Sir, we participated last year also in some SAE event. That time we could not win anything, not even a single prize. And this time we have participated online concept design challenge of go-kart, and it is not just me, that design team only. This is the whole effort put by the whole team, all the departments. So congratulations to my all team members. And really did good effort from the past 2-3 months. We have got something like this.
Right. Great team. Congratulations. And I hope the team is a bit more enthusiastic towards the award. Yeah. Okay. So now moving on to the overall runner-up for the EV category. We all know there were a lot more teams in the EV category, and there is a lot less spamming in the comment boxes. In the comment box. Alright, hello. Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Yeah. Okay. So the overall runner-up for the EV category is Team Marlin Racing. Okay, so there was, enthusiastic, high-pitched.
Nice, thank you, sir.
I would like to see whose voice that was.
I'm sorry, it was my sister actually. She was in the panel. I apologize if it was.
No need to apologize.
Yeah.
She is more enthusiastic than you are.
No, sir. Actually,
turn on your camera.
For that, sir, my camera is on. If you could see.
Okay, there's some problem from my end. It seems.
No, sir. So this was the first Disney event, and in our first try doing a GKDC concept challenge. First of all, we like to thank all of you. The GKDC team, Akshat sir, Karan sir, they helped us a lot throughout the entire process. And we couldn't have been more ecstatic to have a strong team behind me like that. Siddha, my vice captain, my heads, Shubhadeep, Brunel, Manan, Pritar, and Ritik, of course, he helped us with the business plan. And I am actually at a loss of words right now. And thank you so much. It was a great experience. And in these times where there were quite a few roadblocks, being the first timer we encountered, and it was a great experience overall for us. Thank you so much.
Okay, congratulations. And we hope you come back stronger next time. In fact, all of you.
Definitely, sir. Thank you.
Yes. So now, moving on to the main award, the award that we have all been working towards, right? The teams have been working endlessly for, say, the past 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever months. The organizers have been working hard to bring you all the all these events, the rule books, inviting the judges, taking care of the timetable and everything, helping you out in every possible manner. And so, same as the previous category, we have two segments, EV and CV. And we are going to go ahead with the first segment, that is the CV segment. So, Starkers have no problem wherever, whatever CV, EV, everywhere they are spamming. It's good to see such enthusiasm though. And the overall winner for the CV category, it's DJS Karting India once again. Team DJS.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So, what would you like to say about your journey to this event, and what was your inspiration behind, how you designed your car or did whatever things you had done?
Sir, the inspiration would obviously start from the 8th GKDC, where the team wasn't there in the design event, where we didn't win anything last year. And that just set us a goal for the next GKDC event, where we could just outperform everyone where we could and try to win each and every event that we can. And we were really sad in the start because of this pandemic that the GKDC wouldn't be happening offline this year. So first of all, big thanks to all the big teams, all the new teams, each and every team that has participated in this competition, from Luftwaffe, Starkers, Marlin, each and every team, because they made this competition and GKDC concept possible to give each and every team an opportunity to contest to win. So it all started from last year, where we decided that we definitely needed to up our game, considering what went on in the GKDC. So we tried to do that. We had several meetings, the team had several discussions about each and every component, starting from each and every department, where we can brainstorm and improve our designs and simulations and take them to the next level to set a benchmark. And that is what the team always aimed to do from the start. And I'm glad that we could achieve this today in one of the biggest go-karting competitions of this country, the GKDC concept. And I'm really happy for the team. Congratulations to the runner-up as well. It was a tough fight, obviously. But yeah, we are really happy to win the overall competition at CV, and couldn't be happy.
Sir, I would like to add something over here.
Yeah, please go on.
Yes, sir. So I would like to congratulate all the winners over here. But the one thing, on my personal behalf, I would like to congratulate Sanjeet himself, because being this era in this pandemic, like we weren't able to cope up to his expectations and team's expectations. We made so many plans, but some or the other part we were lagging behind. Like Sanjeet and Raghav were the ones who were holding the team throughout this pandemic. So I really dedicate this award to Sanjeet and Raghav to holding up the team in this time. Thank you, team.
Yes, anyone else would like to add something to it? You are free to do so. Please feel free to add anything you want to say. Team, are you here?
Yes, sir. So we also like to thank the management, that is Akshat sir and Karan sir. They have helped us out a lot. They have answered every doubt of ours, whether it was regarding some report or even a smallish thing like how many people can be there in the meeting. They have helped us out throughout this entire 1 year phase with every single thing, and we are very grateful to the organizers for that. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Most welcome, dear. We are always here for you only. Even all the members, all the officials of Isni Motorsport, we are always ready for each and every participant, whether they are participating in our event or not. we are ready to help you
Thank
forever.
you, sir. That is what keeps us coming back every year. Thank you, sir.
Definitely. Thank you.
Thank you, Akshat sir. Congratulations, team. And I think Sanjit and Raghav. So your team is speaking a lot about you, and this says more than just this award that you will be getting. And keep up with the good work. And congratulations to the team. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes. And now we have one final award, the overall winner for the EV segment. But I think before that, I would like to say that winning or losing is not going to matter in the long run. What's going to matter is that how much you take away from this, and how much fun you had, right? Now, when you look back, you're not going to remember कि यहाँ पे ये गलती हुआ था. You're going to remember कि यहाँ पे ये सीखे थे, and this was fun, right? So, according to me, winning is just one half of it. Having fun is the other half. Right, teams? So please don't be disheartened if you have not won anything, or if you were pointed out a bit more mistakes than you had expected. So all the judges that were in this event were to help you become a better engineer, for you to become a better team, and help you out through your journey. And with that, I would like to go ahead with the overall winner for the EV category. For the EV category. So, has the spamming stopped, or is it just my network again? Okay, it's just my network, it seems. Alright. So we have here, there has to be a kind of a build-up right now, but it is very difficult. Believe me, it's very difficult to do this online. And had this been an offline event, there would have been lots of screaming right now. People going mad, people dancing on songs and whatnot. I can only imagine how the events are right now. And I really hope that everything comes back on track by the next year, and we can have an offline event for Quartwork as well as for GKDC. Okay, so now the overall winner for the EV category is Team Starkers Motorsports.
Yes.
Okay, congratulations, team. Please tell us about your journey. Please tell us. Okay. Please tell us what you have learned from this event.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. So, for us also, it all began from the last year. Our CV team, as usual, always does well. We were second last year, but in the EV we were ranked 4th, and that was our goal. And we had a lot of pressure carrying the team's legacy ahead, because most of our seniors have left us past year. So it was really difficult, taking the team's legacy ahead, especially in the EV sector, where we had very least experience. I'm sorry. Where we had very least experience, and it was very difficult to especially interact with the juniors and to tell them or to expect from them what exactly we want from them. And if it was we're working in the pit and all, it becomes really easy to interact personally, but virtually it was very difficult. Kudos to all the senior members who were there. They have passed out, but despite being passed out, they have always been there. And if you guys wouldn't have been there, I don't think we would even have submitted our design reports or all those reports. You had a huge role backing up. And kudos to all the juniors I mean, it was really difficult for you, I know. Even some basic concepts still might not be clear because we tried our best. I hope we gave our best to you, but yeah. And I would like to thank ISNI for organizing the event despite the current pandemic issue. Many event organizers were contacting us, but no one organized the event, and I don't think anyone apart from ISNI could do this. And thank you so much. It was really important for us because we as a seniors are also leaving the team this year, and it was really important to give some kind of exposure for our juniors who have been newly recruited this year. Thank you so much, Umesh sir, for grilling us throughout the process. It was very important to learn where we are lagging. Thank you so much, Akshat sir, for pressurizing us to participate in the event. अगर आपने उस दिन कॉल नहीं किया तो I don't think we would have participated. Thank you so much, Karan sir, for always being there for all the silly doubts, as the DJ's team also said. And yeah, what to say? Thank you to all our faculty advisors, all our college HODs. Thank you so much. This was very much needed. Last year we were fourth. This year we are the champions. We did it. EPL completed. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, team. And I would like to say that please give yourselves, I mean, not just the winning teams, but everyone. Please give yourselves a round of applause, a pat on the back. You have made it through. And yes. Yes, this is not a very difficult feat to achieve. I mean, we all have, through the last year, we have seen how difficult it can be to coordinate between the teams, to coordinate between the departments, and to get things done on an online platform. But we have been through it. We have made it through, and congratulations to all the teams, despite winning or not winning. Yes, and we really hope that next year all of the teams would only come back stronger. You are going to take away a lot from this event, and we hope that you come back stronger. And finally, I would like to once again thank ISNI for an opportunity. It's an honor to be a part of the team, and I would like to thank Akshat sir, Umesh sir, and Karan sir, Karan bhai, and all the other judges that were with me for this event. And congratulations all the team. I really hope you have had fun. And to the seniors, I would like to say that it might be possible that a lot of you might be maybe leaving the next year. I mean, you are done with your studies or whatever XYZ may be the reason. But please be there to guide your juniors. Alright, that is one of the most important things when it comes to being a successful team. Right, seniors supporting the juniors is something that is that has to be mandatory. You'll get what errors they made, and hopefully you will be able to rectify the errors that your seniors have made, and hopefully, or maybe even you could be coming up with some kind of a new innovation, say. And that's it, I think, from my side. Akshat sir.
Thank you, Rohan. First of all, I would like to express my recognition toward the immense hard work of all the team members and our judges, which make this design challenge grand. Actually, the amount of dedication and hard work you gave toward your team is truly appreciable, especially during this pandemic. So, for those teams who have not won any award, for them, in my opinion, it doesn't matter either you win something or not, but definitely you gain something, you learn something, which is our main objective with this design challenge. So, with this, I would like to conclude this session. But before conclusion, I would like to invite those teams who have not won, but I would like to invite those teams to say a few words one by one about their journey during this pandemic. So I would like to invite all the remaining teams like Team Luftwaffe, Team Alias, Team is Smoking Excel, Team Zelvate, and other team like Team Trident and other teams. Please come one by one. If you want to share something, if you want to share any interesting moment, if you want to share your something, please come. Anybody from any team? Okay, no problem.
I'm Abhishek from Team Smoking Access.
Yes, yes.
I'd like to, I hope I'm audible to everyone.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, so I'd just like to thank ISNE for providing us with an opportunity for, even after this pandemic, we got to do something competitive and compete with all these top teams. We tried our best, but yeah, we came up a bit short. But you can be sure that next year Team Smoking Access will come firing all guns blazing. And
yes, we also hope so.
Give everyone else a tough fight as well. I want to congratulate all the winners of the CV and EV categories. I know you all worked very hard on this, especially this pandemic. It threw us all for a loop. I'd like to say, working in an online environment is extremely tough, and these guys really came through. So these guys are like an inspiration for all the other teams to work harder and live up to them. I guess. Yeah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Abhishek. Thank you. Anybody else? Yes, you are audible. Please put on your camera.
My camera is on.
Okay. Yes, Suyog. From Team Luftwaffe, right?
Yes, sir. It's a pleasure to represent Team Luftwaffe this event. We are really thankful for all these judges and all the stuff. They are really helped us throughout this situation. And congratulations to all the teams. And we were really struggling in this event due to this pandemic, but we are definitely come faster and also sooner in our list. Thank you very much.
And definitely, Suyog. We also hope same. And, best of luck for the future endeavor.
DJs, starters, you've done really well.
And thank you, brother. Yes, Swaroop.
Hi, Akshay sir and all the teams.
Hello, Tanmay.
Yeah, hello sir, hello. Good evening to all the team and dear sir. I'm Tanmay. I congratulate each and every one of you who win today and came on second position and all the best tech savvy, the best captain. I congratulate to you all. This pandemic actually is teaching us a lot. Disney Motorsports gave us an opportunity to participate in Concept Challenge. We all learned a lot. In this from the previous year, and hope the skills will be beneficial to all of us. I appreciate that that a motorsport company which is giving an opportunity like this to all of us helps us a lot in our future. That's all, guys. Congratulations to you all. You are an inspiration for all of us. DJ starting and all and Startup Motorsport. You did really well.
Thank you, Tanay. Anybody else?
Hello everyone, I'm from Agni Racing, Shri Krishna. First of all, I would like to congratulate each and every captain and the team for winning individual and overall awards. And it's been a pleasure to start and compete in such a big event in all over the country. It's like we had started coming to the challenges. We had started from the scratch. Like our seniors had left a 1 year gap for us, so we are needed to start from the beginning, from getting the permission in the college to doing something like this. It's been a pleasure and it was enjoyable. And I hope, I would like to thank each and every organizer, especially Umesh sir, for making us sweat in the event and letting us know that you need to improve, guys. So that was a pleasure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Sri Krishna. Anybody else?
Yeah, I would like to speak. Evening, this is Sunil from Exeter.
Yes, yes,
Yeah. Yeah. Although we haven't won any award, but I would like to say that I have a great team. They have done very great, put in all effort there. It was our first, so winning wasn't necessary. We have learned a great things and from our journey. And I would like to congratulate team and want them next year. Our team will be more stronger. They will be facing stronger rivals.
Definitely, we also hope so.